Hi, hello, welcome to Eagle Health. Today we are going to discuss about hypertension. Well, nowadays it's become like a common issue for most of the people who are suffering with hypertension. Well, now let me tell you the 5 breakfast recipes to manage high blood pressure. There is a popular saying that goes, eat your breakfast like a king and lunch like a prince and dinner like a pauper. Breakfast is indeed one of the most important meals of the day. Breakfast literally means breaking the fast. Since you don't consume anything after dinner till you wake up, the next morning your body needs to fuel to kickstart. Breakfast provides that essential fuel for energy, and that is not all. Breakfast is essential to boost up metabolism. If you start your day hungry, you get tired fast. Also, when you skip your breakfast, you are most likely to feel hungry earlier and grab hold of anything fattening. This is why no matter how pressed for time you are, you must make room for having a filling and nutritious breakfast. However, when you are suffering from conditions like hypertension and diabetes, the options tend to narrow due to dietary restrictions. You cannot eat and enjoy a variety of sugary or salt-laden foods that most of your peers can enjoy right at the start of the day. But there are plenty of reasons to look forward to breakfast still if you are willing to explore and experiment. People with high blood pressure need to ensure some basic dietary precautions and they are good to go. Healthy foods or high blood pressure may go a long way in managing the condition of hypertension. Breakfast is indeed one of the most important meals of the day. Well, according to microbiotic nutritionist and health practitioner, loading up on foods rich in potassium and magnesium is very essential for those dealing with high blood pressure. Potassium lowers blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. It is also advised for them to include more whole grains and seasonal fruit and veggies in their meals. Calcium and magnesium are also essential in regulating your blood pressure levels. We are here to tell you about some foods for high blood pressure that you can use to whip up delicious and healthy recipes for breakfast. These dishes makes for a great healthy breakfast for high blood pressure. Here are some delicious breakfast options if you are managing high blood pressure. And the first one here goes, oats idli. Yeah, you are so eagerly waiting for that now. Yes, it's Amy oats idli. These light and fluffy idlis made with the goodness of oats makes for one delightful treat. Oats are full of fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining blood pressure levels. You can team them with coconut chutney. Coconut too is said to be a good addition to a high blood pressure diet. This dish is one of the best foods for high blood pressure that you can safely add in your hypertension diet. Oats are full of fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining blood pressure levels. Well, let's go into the Mediterranean omelette. Breakfast and eggs are a go hand in hand, and we are not complaining, especially when the option are so tempting. This omelette made with the goodness of spinach, onions, olives, and oregano. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K and heart healthy potassium, magnesium, iron, and manganese. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K and heart healthy potassium, manganese, iron, and manganese. And we are going with the next one, the third one, spinach pancake. So yummy. Yes, we are going to discuss about that one and I'm going to tell you about that. Yes. Spinach is one of the best heart-healthy foods. The presence of lutein content helps prevent the thickening of walls of arteries and thus reducing the risk of heart attacks. Made with whole wheat, and the pancake also has delicious and healthy filling of cheese and mushrooms. Spinach content lutein helps prevent the thickening of walls of arteries, thus reducing the risk of heart attacks. And moving the next and fourth one, green pea upma. Yeah, it's also so yummy, nah? Well, going with this one, peas are rich in potassium, which again makes it a valuable addition to your high blood pressure diet. Made with lightly roasted semolina and green peas, the upma is tempered with mustard seeds and curry leaves. Peas are rich in potassium, which again makes it a valuable addition to your high blood pressure diet. Going with the next one, the fifth one, in fact, Banana almond porridge. Bananas are just low in sodium, they are also rich in potassium, which helps lower blood pressure naturally. When blended in calcium rich porridge, it makes for the best start to the day. Bananas are just low in sodium, they are also rich in potassium, which helps lower blood pressure naturally. In fact, include these foods in your diet and see the results for yourself. If you have any interesting recipes to share, do write us in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe too. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching and stay tuned to Eagle Health. Namaste.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.